In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for research, a step-by-step guide. First, start by matching your investigative phase to the proper model tier at the top of your chat workspace. If you need speed and quick utility tasks, keep it on the instant tier. This is ideal for rapid operational sweeps like cleaning up messy formatting, translating academic phrases into plain language, switching bibliography styles such as APA to IEEE, or summarizing a single paragraph. When your work shifts toward deep analysis, like tracing themes across multiple documents, diagnosing structural gaps in an argument, or reverse engineering how a complex model is built, switch to the thinking tier. The key is to pick the tier that aligns with your goal: speed and polish for straightforward tasks, or deliberate reasoning when you're building or testing an argument across sources. Next, use the methodology dissector and parameter tracker prompt to extract the operational core of a dense paper. Paste this, then add the abstract or key sections. Act as a university research professor, senior data analyst, and master methodologist. I am evaluating a research document to extract its core operational parameters. Provide a structured analytical breakdown of the text provided below. Isolate and outline these specific elements into a clean markdown table. Primary hypothesis, core methodology/sample frame, dependent and independent variables, key statistical findings, and explicit boundary conditions/limitations acknowledged by the author. Here's the text. Insert paper abstract or key sections here. This helps you move beyond surface summaries and quickly see what was tested, how it was measured, and where the author admits limits. Then put multiple sources into conversation using the cross-document synthesis matrix prompt. Paste. Act as a principal investigator and data architect. I am synthesizing information focused on the core theme of insert specific research focus. Below, I will paste data notes and findings from 3 separate sources. Build a comprehensive comparative synthesis matrix formatted as a markdown table tracking key structural theme, shared points of consensus, explicit empirical divergences, contradictions, and the technical strength of their evidence. Here are the sources. Insert your short source summaries notes here. Summarize each source concisely before pasting so the matrix highlights agreements, contradictions, and which evidence is strongest. Finally, stress test your own thesis with the hypothesis stress test and vulnerability scout prompt. Paste. Act as a rigorous peer reviewer, critical logician, and adversarial academic debater. I want you to aggressively stress test my current research hypothesis and structural premise. I will state my core argument below. Identify 3 significant logical vulnerabilities, potential data collection blind spots, or alternative explanations that a hostile reviewer could use to dismantle my conclusion. For each vulnerability found, provide a concrete step or data verification protocol I can implement to reinforce my position. My argument. Insert your main hypothesis research argument here. Use the feedback to refine your design, tighten definitions, or plan targeted validation. That is all. Thank you for watching, and see you guys on the